the Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with a new Christmas printable from Decorate Your Life. This one is called Ice Blue Winter, and there's 7 pages to this kit here. And the first one, look at that, how pretty. I will try to get the links to it in her shop. And here's this one. She has little blueberries here, pine trees, bells. And this one here with a fireplace, the lanterns. There's a Japanese lantern. You have your candles, your bells, your cotton, your blueberries, your swag. I'm telling you, this is another kit I can't wait to work with. Look at that at the background. And look at this one. You have a clock here for Father Time. You have the pine cones with the pine branches. 2 candles with a rose here. You got your little blueberries here in the corner. You have your white cottons here, cotton puffs. You have your cinnamon stick hidden right here. Your bell, your letters. So far so good. I like it. Look at this one. Good for background, right? Oh, look. This one has a cup of hot cocoa with marshmallows and a cinnamon straw. You have a stocking over here. We'll see. I like it, I like it. So again, this is the Ice Blue Winter, and it has 7 pages. So thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe and hit that lovely little bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Also, please be kind, be loving, be caring, be blessed. Love and light to all. Be crafty. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.
Oh, come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Oh, come ye to Bethlehem. Come and be